Everyone, you know what? I have some trophies in the playground, and I'm gonna open it now and show you. So come on, let's go inside.
They weren't coming to Wednesday, and then they rocked up yesterday.
Oh, right.
And I was like,
See, there's always that little hope.
Good morning, guys! Happy Saturday, everyone! It's currently 10:30 in the morning. And, may napansin ba kayo, guys? Charis! May napansin ba kayo? May bangs na si mami nyo. Diba? Nakagaling ko lang from my hair appointment. So, this morning at 9 o'clock, meron akong appointment for my haircut. So, nagpa-haircut lang ako, guys. Hindi ako nagpa-hair color. Haircut lang. So, kakatapos ko lang. I'm on my way home. And this is what it looks like. So, nagpalagay ako ng bangs, guys. Just for a change. I don't think nagpa-bangs ako ng ganito before. So, yes. Ayan na. Nagmumukhang siopaw na ang mukha ng mami niyo. My face is round, guys. Alam niyo naman yan. Naglagay pa ng ganito. Hayaan nyo na. Ano lang naman to siya. We're just testing the waters. Tutubo din naman yan. Kung hindi natin bend later on. So for now, okay lang. Kasi we're from the hair salon. Diba? Maganda. Kasi nag-blow dry and everything. And then, later on, pag sa bahay na tayo, mukha na tayong wak-wak. Kasi hindi na naman natin na-blow dry. Anyways, Daddy Mike's got the kids now. Nandun sila sa park. So, pinili ko talagang maaga, guys, para na, you know, we can spend the rest of the day together. And also, today, merong birthday party ngayong hapon na pupuntahan namin. So, one of Paris's friend sa prep ay my birthday party this afternoon. So we're going around 1:30. So ready na ang hair ni mami niyo. Diba? Alam niyo ba, wala talaga to sa plano. Kagabi pa to siya binook. Kasi I wasn't feeling the best, you know? And then, I said like a haircut will help. So, yeah. Nagpagupit ako. Actually, yung buhok ko, guys, it is very similar sa yung original. Parang trim lang yung ginawa kasi sabi niya gusto ko palagyan ng layer, pero may layer na naman ito siya, diba? From last time. Hala, lighting natin. Uy. Anuhan na. Saan ang camera? So, meron na naman siyang layer. So, you don't need to like do more layer, sabi niya. So, we'll just clean it up. Pag tinrim lang ba, kinuha yung mga patay-patay. At yung sa end naman, meron siyang before, parang na-V kasi before eh. Meron siyang mga parang paspas. Lanot sa, pinakababa. So, she cut that one as well. Para magmukha siyang parang bouncy and healthier. Look at them, guys. Look. Nini. Kaka-park ko lang dito. Pipick upin ko sila. Welcome home. Ning! 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 I love you. I love you. Kiss mommy. Kiss. Kiss. Okay, we'll go. Okay, we'll go. Gosh. Pulling mama. Oh, do I? Yeah. Do you like my hair?
Yeah.
Kiss mommy.
I just did a handstand.
Did you?
Want to see it? Want to see my handstand?
Come.
Mommy.
Come.
Okay, I'm doing my handstand. Mama.
You like my hair?
Why?
Do you like my French?
You like the hair?
Do you like my French?
Mommy.
Wow! Again. Okay. Whoa!
Did you like the other one?
Yes. Mama.
Mommy, do you like it?
Yeah, again.
I did the best one.
Go again.
What are you doing? Shush, ang ilong anak ah. Sige. Look at the Paris. Look. Oh. No. No. Where's the ini going?
A few moments later.
Yan guys, nakapag-makeup na si mami niyo. Wow, sino ka dyan? Hi, Bingbing!
Yeah, I don't.
Hi! Hindi ako nagnap mga tita. Good luck sa atin. Oo!
Paris, you gotta do it. I'll my hand.
Ayun na nga tita. Magda-drive tayo guys. I'm gonna put some in. Ayan, so pag-makeup si mami niya. Tapos, nag-lip tint. 1, 2, ready! Go! Meaning. Hang on, wait a minute. Okay. Go! Have fun! It's now 1:40 guys, and naiwan kami ni Baby Celine dito sa loob ng sasakyan. So si Daddy Mike lang at si Ate Paris yung pumasok. Nagsisititingan na yung mga bisita. Alam niyo ba, so yung my birthday today is lalaki guys. So last week, 2 weeks ago, 'di ba, in-invite tayo ng birthday. So girl naman yun, kaya nga 'di ba princess yung kanilang theme. But this one is a boy. So ang ating Ate Paris talaga ay sobrang ang tawag ito, friendly. Like, she is friends to everyone, guys. Like, girls, boys, like, older than her, or, like, younger than her. Ayan, friends siya, guys. Kaibigan ng bayan talaga yun sa Ate Paris. Kaya hindi ko alam. I think, ngayon, I won't be surprised kung si Ate Paris lang yung nag-iisang, girl doon. I don't think so. But, mostly kasi yung mga in-invite is yung, mga friends niyang mga boys sa klase nila. How are you liking my bangs, guys? Ayan. Oh. Maganda siya tingnan ngayon, guys. I'm happy with it. Kasi nga, diba, parang binlow dry. But later on yan, my God, pag ang nanay niyo wala ng time, ay, ginaganon na kaagad, oh. Pero it's good. I like it. Kasi parang binigyan ako ng reason na magsuklay ng buhok, mag-ayos, kasi meron ng bangs. Kasi kung hindi to maayos yung bangs, para itang wakwak, guys. Yan. Also, yung ends ng aking hair ay healthier na, guys. Tingnan nyo. Kinuha na yung mga parang ikog ng kabayo ba? Yan. So, hindi ako nagpakulay kasi ibang hairdresser yung pinuntahan ko. Wala talaga sa plano yung pag-cut ng hair. So, yung yung booking ko for my hair color, kasi tingnan nyo guys, tingnan nyo kung gaano na rin kahaba, oh. Okay, andyan na, oh. So, diba, last time na nagpakulay tayo before tayo umuwi ng Pinas. So, that was last year. So, it's been, over 6 months. So, kailangan natin ng regrowth. So, next month ay magpapakulay tayo. The same lang din naman. Parang lang din, foils. But, see, this is what I mean kapag foils tapos maganda yung gumawa, guys. Kasi ito, more than 7 months. Maganda pa rin siya tingnan, guys. Tingnan nyo. O, hindi siya orange, yung brassy. Wala pa nga tong toner, ha? Siya? Maganda yung pagkakulay sa kanya. And also, parang blend siya ng ano dito. So, alam niyo ba yung parang minsan, may harsh na line? Yan, pangit tingnan. But this one, I like it kasi para siyang nag-blend lang siya dito sa roots ko ba. Ayan. So, half foils lang to siya, guys. Hindi to siya, half pa to. Ay, hindi, full head pala to. Full head foil. Yeah, very happy with my hair. Ayan. Kailangan talagang supplyin ko tong hair ko eh. Minsan kasi, guys, ang mamadali na sa namin yung pick up, drop off. Wala nang oras. Tingnan nyo. Ayan, hindi kasi nag-nap kanina. Tingnan nyo. Bigyan ko siya kahit half an hour ba. Tapos susunod kami. Kasi I'd hate din kapag na-miss niya yung fun.
I'm going to take these ones off. In the middle.
Tiny guys.
Oh, James, how do you have any
Tail. Spin around. Ready?
Wow!
Good job, Blakey.
Very close.
Good job.
Actually,
You did very well.
help.
No, I didn't. I just said very good job.
No, you.
Go Paris!
Oh, you didn't. You just wanted it. So, are you ready? 1, 2, and 3. Oh, sorry, I got you too short. Keep going. 1.5. Bit of a half. Okay. There you go.
Oh, did you drop it?
Forward.
You can go get another one. I'll put it on.
There you go. Now you pin that on where you think it might be.
Go Paris! Go Paris!
Put it on.
Come on.
It might be. Where's your tail? Have your tail? Oh, did I not give you a tail? Sorry, darling. Oh, sorry.
What'd you say?
Give her a tail. That's yours over there.
Okay, come on Paris!
Very close. I should don't go and get you.
Donkey might.
We won't kick you.
Oh, that's a good one.
Yay! Well done Paris!
Good job. You gonna have another turn? Yeah, you gonna have another one?
Did I get it?
Very close! Yay!
What number was I?
Would you like to have a turn?
Hey, Tom.
You come in between Sandy and Paris.
Looks very determined.
You can get another girl. Another one! Oh! Hey Paris, big one!
Alright, Paris.
Strong one Paris! Okay, do you need help?
And I still have one more gummy.
Yum!
I'm never going to.
Yummy?
I never brush my teeth.
Tingnan niyo ka, Ate Paris yan eh. Allah, pilapil
Do
sila.
you really? Mama, it smells jelly.
Na. Ay, tayo lang. Nearly 5 o'clock, guys. And we are home.
I'm gonna grab candy.
Here, open. Bring it.
I think
Everyone, you know what? I have some trophies in the party bag, and I'm gonna open it now and show you. So come on, let's go inside. Okay. Today we went to Clyde's birthday. And I'm going to show my candy, trophy, and
Look, Ate Paris.
all my other stuff.
Vlogging.
Mom, look, come on.
No, we'll fix it. Yeah. Look!
Everyone,
Look what I got!
stuff. We got a jellyfish candy,
Show.
seahorse, a trophy. Yeah, 2 trophies.
Well, share, okay?
This one there. And we have some Play-Doh. And there's very sour kit. So that's what we're going. We're going on Dr. Play-Doh.
What happened? Oh, pen? Come on. Iniwan kayo ni Ate Paris, guys. Nag-CR. Okay. This is Play-Doh. What? The party was good. Umalis kami doon mga 3:30. Tapos, dumiretso kami ng shop. So, yeah. So, at least, tatlo. Tatlo palang girls doon, guys. Na mga classmates. Paris. Yeah. Yeah. It's not up food, okay? It's a toy. Just play with it. Hello. Wow! Play-Doh. Oopsie! Play-Doh. Then, yes, my love. Daddy Mike, hi.
Oh,
Pero niyo binili ni Daddy Mike na beer kasi gusto niya. Ito yung bagong labas na may mga numbers ba? Can you imagine if there's no 7?
there's so many 5s. Why is there so many 5s?
Oh no. Daddy wants to get our
Postcode.
postcode. What's wrong, anak ko? What?
Yeah, here's the color green.
Oh my god. they're
Manis?
really
Please.
Don't cry for me, Argentina. Umiiyak siya, guys, kasi gusto niyang kainin yung kung ito yung parang lolis ba na very squishy. Ayoko ibigay sa kanya kasi baka pilaukan ka, anak. So good, I'm not gonna check this. Okay, pumunta kami ng shop, sis. Punta ako ng chemist. Bumili ako nito for my contact lens. So ito yung solution na ginagamit ko. Actually, hindi talaga ito yung brand, but ito yung cheaper. Yes, my love. And, don't show, please. Nag-grocery din si Dara. What is this? Spinach! What is this? Steak! What is this? Steaks. Steaks. More meat. Meat. Oh, what is this, love? It's a mushroom. Oh no! Oh my goodness. Another meat. And mince. Mince chicken. Whoopsie, you got some crackers.
Is that your soup?
Banana. Oh yeah, guys. Sa loob ng isang box ng mga beers, wala yung number na hinahanap ni Daddy Mike sa...
I only got one number.
yeah, isang number lang. Gusto niya kasing decorate dito sa bahay ba? Wala man. Put doon, gano'n mo ginundong.
Mama's happy. I know you are, a little bit, right?
A sailor ain't a sailor anymore.
At least you know that one's good, you know?
What's that? Oh, that's my favorite. My favorite salmon. Ano ba dito?
Mama's favourite, yeah?
Cabana.
Mama loves that one.
Yes. Ow.
No, seriously.
Chicken. Open. Okay, this one is okay. The other one is chewy. Alam niyo ba yung parang chewy siya, guys, ba? Baka ano ba, basta.
You keep that around, right?
1, 2, 3, go. I just go in. A pin. A pin. Peel, open. Look, look. Wait a minute. Share. Very close.
Alright, so. No, happy.
At the Paris ka. Give to the Paris, okay?
Don't trust the love.
Give one at the Paris, okay? Oh, no. You have to share. You have to share. You like my hair, Lily?
Yes. I'll give it a squad of 10.
Huh? You like the sabi that like cylinder with my bang.
Go, Eileen. Give to Ate Paris. Give one chocolate to Ate.
Wala. Nabuang mo to siya nagkat. Eh nga. Taas man din bubo.
Give chocolate to
Pagkahati.
Ate, yeah? Can't have the over itself.
Yeah. Good for ate. Na, good for ate na.
Want some? Want salsa? I got a girl one for you.
Huh?
I got a ladies one for you. Not this one, so you give me one. Ladies one.
What?
Right, go.
Where did you buy it then?
What? It's not strong.
If it's for ladies.
It's not strong, bub. The girls drink this one. The boys can drink too. It's nice.
It's natural light. Tingnan niyo pa napanood. He thinks it's so funny.